Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am VJ, and today I am going to teach you about three methods to add zeros in MS Excel. That is, whenever you type any number in Excel, for example, if I type 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, you can see that the zero at the beginning gets hidden. So today I am going to teach you three ways to add zeros. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learned something from today's video, if you learned something new, please do like this video. So let's start today's lecture. The first method I am going to teach you will be done using a formula. You have to write equals to, then give an inverted comma, type 0, give another inverted comma, and here you have to type and after that, give the cell reference. That is, this is the number in front of which we want to add a 0 at the beginning. If you have multiple numbers, you can add a 0 at the beginning of all of them at once. Click here and press enter. See, the 0 has appeared here, and after that, we'll drag. After dragging, you can see that a 0 has been added in front of all the numbers here. So this was method number 1. Now in method number 2, we'll talk about how to add a 0 in front of data that you've already written. Now suppose I have a total of 11 numbers here. So we select all these cells and here 10 are showing. We want that out of these 11 numbers, the 10 numbers that are showing should have a 0 at the beginning. So select all these cells, right click, click on Format Cell, or you can also press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard. After clicking on Format Cell, you need to go to Custom. After coming to Custom, you will click in the type box here, and using backspace, you need to remove General from there. Now after that, you have to type 0 here 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, as soon as you have typed 0 11 times, look above in the sample. Your format has been prepared like this. Now, as soon as we click OK, you can see here that 0 has appeared. And after that, the third method we have is that we can add 0 here by using an apostrophe. So for this, what we need to do is on the right side of the Enter key, there is a button with an inverted comma. You have to press it without using Shift. And then look here, we type 0300 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 0 has appeared here. Now, along with this, an error is showing up. So you need to click here and then ignore this error from here. So you can see the 0 has been added here. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can add a 0 at the start of a cell in MS Excel in 3 different ways. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.